Hey guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today I decided I was going to make some mashed potatoes, but I thought I'd do it the Watkins way, and we're going to make garlic mashed potatoes. So let me show you what we're going to do. I got some garlic cloves here. Just going to mash them down a little bit. And we're going to put them in a pan, just with the skins on, because we're not going to actually put that in the potatoes, and we're going to put some milk in here, and we're going to heat the milk up with the garlic in it, and then we're going to drizzle that over the potatoes as we use, or I'm going to use a hand mixer to make the mashed potatoes today. So let's get busy peeling our potatoes. So I got 6 russet potatoes. I like russet potatoes for mashed potatoes better. I've tried the Yukon Gold, but Yukon Gold gets a little too creamy for me. I mean, if you like that, you can use that. But what I like is a russet, and I also like to leave a little skin on. It gives it a little bit of color to it when you're mashing it. And the important thing is, when you cut the potatoes up, you want to make them all just about the right same size. So let's do this. They cook, when you make them all just about this size here, they cook evenly. So that's that. And we'll cut this up. And then the other thing that's very important is add these to some cold water. And if you don't do that, they start turning brown on you, and you don't want that. So you just put them in cold water, let them sit there till you're done, and when you're done with all that, then you put them in a pan. We're going to bring them to a boil for about 15 minutes. All right, add a little bit more water to our potatoes. We're going to put it on the stove here. We're going to bring it to a boil for about 15 minutes, and then we'll take it from there. All right, let's check our potatoes, see if we can get a fork in them. And yep, see how tender that is? That's perfect. So anyway, now let's just go dump our potatoes and get it ready for our hand mixer. So dump these in here. All right, and actually that's all we have to do. All right, I got my potatoes drained, so let's put them in our bowl here, get ready for our mixing. I'm going to add a little pepper, just pepper to taste, and a couple pinches of salt. And remember, we heated up our milk with the garlic cloves in it. So we got that heated up now. And we're just going to drizzle a little bit of milk here. I might have to add more milk. So we're going to do this. Set that there. Get our hand mixer going. It's looking pretty good. I might need a little bit more milk. I want it to be real creamy. Okay, let's add a little bit more milk to this. I just want to add a little bit more milk. And there's our garlic cloves that we're not going to put actually in the potatoes, but we're going to have the garlic flavor. All right, so let's mix these up. All right, let's transfer our potatoes to our dish here. Spread those out a little bit. Garlic mashed potatoes, and then it's going to look really good. It's going to taste really good. And then we're just going to move the potatoes around a little bit in our dish. And I tell you what we need to do now is we didn't add our butter earlier, and a lot of times you do add your butter earlier, but I like to do it like this. Just let the butter just slowly seep in. And then now what else I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of chives on our potatoes. Because when you have a baked potato, you usually add a little bit of chives to it anyway. All right, so here's our garlic mashed potatoes, and I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to them. I put some in, but I'm going to put a little bit more. And I'm going to tell you the reason I made garlic mashed potatoes. So I got a show that comes out once a week, and I'm going to make shepherd's pie in about 15 minutes. And shepherd's pie has to have mashed potatoes. So I thought, why not just do another show with garlic mashed potatoes? So when you watch the garlic mashed potatoes show, the following week, these potatoes are going to be in the shepherd's pie. All right, see you guys next week. Bye.